If you want to activate always relay calls on X.com or Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find it. This is useful if you want a little more privacy and control when it comes to calls inside the platform. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change the setting. On the left-hand navigation bar, click More to reveal the full menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, privacy options, and safety settings. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside that menu, look for Chat and click on it. This section contains messaging and call-related options, so it's the right place to manage call privacy settings. Now find the option labeled Always Relay Calls. All you need to do is toggle it on. Once it's enabled, the setting will be active right away. That's it. You've now turned on Always Relay Calls in X.com or Twitter. It only takes a few clicks, but knowing exactly where to go makes the process much faster. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.